Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Gmail phone number on your phone. Well, this is very easy and you can apply this method or steps on your iPhone as well as your Android. So first of all, you have to just open your Gmail. On the top right, you will see your profile icon, tap on it, go to the Google account here. And once you have opened it, just go to your personal info. In the personal info, you will see your phone number. Now just tap on it, and to change it, here you can see it will just load for a few seconds and you can just change your phone number just by clicking on one of the phone number, right? If you haven't added any phone number till now, you can do one thing, you can just change, or you will get option to add your phone number right now. So here you will get this option of pencil icon, so just click on it. If you want to delete, you can just click on dustbin icon and it will get deleted. Now it will ask you to continue, so just tap on continue here. And here sometimes there is a security log which you need to open up. Now here you have to just wait for 10 seconds, and here again you have to tap on this pencil icon, click on update number, use another number, click on next, and here you can just add your number, right? And once you have added your number, just click on the next. It will send an OTP to your number. You have to add it and then it's done. So this is how you can update your number. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.